Hey there everyone, and welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I will be walking through how to set up and complete a Google Drive assignment. To begin, we're going to need to log into our Schoology page. Then, we're going to access the App Center from the top. These are the four squares as the drop-down menu. Enter into the App Center. Next, once we get this loaded, I want to scroll down a little bit, and we're looking for specifically Google Drive assignments. This is going to be the one that we have to install. As a word of caution, you will need to reinstall these for every semester for each of your classes. To install this, click on Install LTI App. Go ahead and click Agree. Select all of the courses in which you would like to install this. You don't necessarily have to use course admins only, however, you can if you'd like. Once this is installed, it should say your changes to Google Drive assignments have been saved. You've now successfully installed this into your classes. Let's venture on over to a class. Here's my biology class. Now let's go ahead and create a new assignment. In this case, we want to add assignment. Once you get into your assignment page, you'll notice that there's now a new button, Assign from App, your Google Drive assignments. From here, while creating your assignment, you may create everything as if it were normal. You may give it a name. You may put in description or your instructions for the activity. And then, to actually assign it using your Google Drive, use Google Drive assignments. If you're not already signed into your Google Drive, it's going to ask you to sign in. Go ahead and sign in, and then you should have access to your Google Drive. From here, you would want to search your Google Drive document. Next, you want to select the document in which you're trying to assign. Let's do this one. Then click Attach. Now, this will successfully attach this assignment to this assignment. Down below, you're going to also want to set up your category if you're planning on grading it from Schoology so that you can transfer it to PowerSchool afterwards. This is going to be an activity in projects. Assign your point values, due dates if you would like, and then create the assignment. Once the assignment has been created, if we were to venture into the assignment, you're going to notice that the view has changed a little bit. This is the advantage of using Google Drive assignments. Instead of having to force students to make a copy, this automatically makes a copy for them. So, on our teacher view, what we can see is the assignment, and here's the attached activity that we have. If you've linked your sections, you can switch between the sections. And an added bonus for using Google Drive assignments is that you can watch your students complete the activity in real time. Since they're using Google Drive, like Google Docs, Slides, Sheets, etc., since they're using these types of products, these are updated in real time, and now you have access to them. While using Google Drive Assign, there's one special caveat in that students must complete or submit their assignment in order for it to officially be submitted. So the Submit button from the student view would be in the upper right-hand corner. It'll be a big blue button with the word Submit in this. If students do not hit that button, it will not be officially submitted and you cannot grade it. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any additional questions.